The Forest Builders. In a peaceful forest, the animals were buzzing with excitement. The Great Forest Festival was just a day away. It was the biggest event of the year, with music, games, and plenty of tasty treats. But when the animals went to check the festival grounds, they discovered something terrible. The wooden bridge over the stream had collapsed. "Oh no!" cried the squirrels. "How will we get to the festival now?" The stream was too wide to jump and too deep to swim. The animals didn't know what to do. Then 3 friends stepped forward to help. Benny the Beaver was strong and loved to build things. "I can rebuild the bridge with logs," he declared proudly. Olive the Owl was wise and thoughtful. "We need a smart plan before we start," she said calmly. Finn, the fox, was quick and clever. "I can find strong vines to tie everything together," he added with a grin. The 3 friends got to work. Benny hurried to chop down small trees and stacked logs as fast as he could. But as he piled them up, the logs wobbled and tumbled down. Benny frowned. "Maybe I need to slow down and build it properly," he admitted. He began carefully placing each log, making sure they fit together tightly. Meanwhile, Olive sat on a branch watching the stream. She studied how the old bridge had broken. Then she drew a careful plan in the dirt and called the animals for help. "Let's work together and follow this plan," she said. The animals listened and started working, each one knowing exactly what to do. Finn dashed around the forest, collecting long, sturdy vines. He spotted some shiny stones by the stream and thought about decorating the bridge. But then he shook his head. "I need to focus on making the bridge strong first," he reminded himself. So he tied the logs tightly, making sure each knot was strong. Finally, the bridge was almost done, but just then, a strong gust of wind swept through the trees. The bridge wobbled and creaked. "Quick, tie it down," Olive called. Finn wrapped extra vines around the posts, and Benny placed heavy stones at the base to hold it steady. When the wind stopped, the bridge stood firm. The animals cheered. Carefully they crossed the new bridge one by one and made it safely to the festival grounds. That day, they danced, laughed, and shared delicious food under the warm sun. Benny, Olive, and Finn smiled proudly. They had done it, not alone, but together. Moral lesson: working together with patience, smart thinking, and focus makes any challenge easier to solve. The end.